Hello monsters and monster enthusiasts, I'm Monster JR and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how I clean my makeup brushes between colors when I'm doing a makeup. Whenever you're listening to a makeup tutorial when people are doing makeup on their face, you never see what's happening on their makeup table and how they clean brushes between colors. So that's why I decided to go in overview mode and showing you how I do it while I'm doing a makeup. I know it may sound trivial, but I think it is really important, especially for beginners, if you want to prevent color contamination while you're doing your makeup. Before we jump into the subject, just some quick reminders. You can give a like and subscribe to the channel for more art tutorial and art related videos. You can also follow me on Instagram to see pictures of my makeups and my drawings, and you can find the link in the description. So now that being said, let's go in overview mode to show you how I clean my brushes between color while I'm doing a makeup. So we're now in overview mode to do a demonstration on how I clean my brush between colors of body paint while I'm doing my makeup. So for this demonstration I'll be using the Maroon Paradise paint in sky blue and in white. So basically I'll just put my brush in water, swirl it in the pan, I apply it on the back of my hand, and then once I'm done with my color and I'm ready to change color, I take my brush, I put it in my water container, I swirl it around. I want to make sure that the bristles are rubbing or hitting the bottom of my container. Then sometimes I do a quick tap to remove the excess water, and then I rub it back and forth on my paper towel to remove the excess water and the rest of the pigment of body paint that could have stayed in the bristle. And sometimes I do take it back on my hand between my finger to put the bristle back together. Sometimes when it's still dirty, sometimes I love to put it on my paper towel, bend my paper towel over it, and then pull it sideways to really try to remove the rest of the water or the pigment that can still be on the bristles. Now my brush is ready to go on another color. I picked white just to show you that there's no blue on my brush, so I put it on the water, and as you can see in my puck of white makeup, there's no trace of blue, so it just proved that yes, indeed, my brush was clean enough after I used blue. So I just repeat the same thing, go back and forth, sometimes do it like this to remove the body paint, and that's how I clean my brush between colors of body paint when I'm doing my makeup. So now let's talk about how I clean my beauty makeup brushes between color while I'm doing my makeup. During any of my makeup, I normally use a lot of powdery beauty products, things like eyeshadow and highlighters, and I do need to clean my brushes between color when I'm using these products. So first of all, my beauty makeup brushes, I never put them in my water container while I'm doing a makeup. With the brushes I use for body paint, it's okay because I'm cleaning them in the water, and I use water to activate my water activated paint, so it doesn't really matter, it's alright. But with my beauty makeup brushes, I don't want to put them in the water because there will still be water on them. It will take too long for them to dry, and then when I'll put them in my eyeshadow, there will still be water on it. It may contaminate my eyeshadow pan. Sometimes it turn it hard or it turn it kind of muddy, so you don't want to have water in your eyeshadows or highlighter. So first off, sometimes, as I said in some other videos, sometimes I use a brush as an eraser. I never put that brush in any eyeshadow pan. I just remove the excess over the body paint. So there's not a lot of eyeshadows on these brush. So for that kind of brush, just rubbing it on the paper towel is enough to remove the eyeshadow and to clean them. But for the brushes that I put in the pan, I do need to use a different product. So basically what I use is dry cleaner. So here's an example. It's a quick clean, dry clean, instant brush cleaner spray from the Sephora brand. So how you use it, you take your brush, you spray it over your paper towel, then I love to rub it where the excess spray landed on my paper towel, and then I go on another spot, swirl it around on my paper towel to remove the excess of the cleaner and to remove the last bits of eyeshadow. And voila, my brush is already dry and ready to go back on my eyeshadow pan. One of the things that I don't like about this product is that it's one use only. Once the bottle is empty, it's done. And yeah, I'm just not the biggest fan of that. So instead, another one that I really love is the Cinema Secret Makeup Brush Cleaner. And it comes in a spray bottle, in a pump. So it's pretty much the same concept. So I'll take another brush. So you just do 2 or 3 push on the brush, kind of swirl it where the excess brush cleaner landed, and then I just swirl it around on another spot on my paper towel. And my brush, sometimes you do have to put the bristle back at their place, and my brush is now nice and clean, ready to go back in my eyeshadow pan. The thing that I like about this one is that I know my bottle is almost empty, but you can buy the same product in a bigger bottle and refill your spray bottle. So that's why I do prefer this product to the other one. So basically, yes, the main way to clean my makeup brushes between color when I'm doing my makeup is to use a dry makeup brush cleaner and rubbing my brushes on the paper towel to clean them. So that was how I clean my makeup brushes between colors when I'm doing a makeup. And this is how I clean my makeup brushes between colors while I'm doing my makeup. Just so you know, I do plan to make another video explaining how I clean my makeup brushes after I've done my makeup. So basically how I perform the deep cleanse before storing my brushes back. But in the meanwhile, if you have any other question about this technique or about body painting or cosplay makeup in general, you can leave it in the comments down below. I offer answer them in the comments, or it can inspire me to make a dedicated video on that topic. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!